So we are Lucky Paranormal, and we're here at the Delta Hotel, and we're going to be having the Lake Superior Paracon here. Paracon is all about bringing the paranormal community together.
We have 16 speakers coming this year, as well as over 50 vendors. We decided to start Lake Superior Paracon because a couple years ago we started going around to different paranormal conventions, and we thought, hey, there's got to be some in Thunder Bay in Canada, and we looked it up and there was nothing available. And so Gail had the smart idea, well, let's just start our own. And so after last year's success, we thought we'd just keep going with it and see where it ends up.
So wait, 4 days starting Thursday, October 16th with our secret location Sasquatch event. And then with our VIP event at Fort William Historical Park, we're gonna have a ghost fire, ghost stories, food, and a chance to mingle with our speakers before the 2-day event on Saturday, located here at the Delta Hotels, followed by a paranormal VIP investigation with Lucky Paranormal, Carrie Lynn, and Snipe, and Beyond the Haunting at one of our most famous places that put us on the map, the Thunder Bay Museum. And then a bonus day event on the Sunday where you can also get your reading done by the one and only Carrie Lynn Schuarn.
Everybody kind of has a little bit of interest in, like, I'm gonna say the occult or paranormal or ghosts or anything like that. Anything that's the unknown, people are drawn to it. That's why we all do this too, right? We're drawn to the unknown and we want answers. I think we get a large amount of people that are interested in history that want to come to Paracon because there's history associated with ghost stories. People that are interested obviously in the paranormal. I think some people come because they're interested in maybe having an opportunity to reach out to a loved one too, right? Like there's lots of reasons for people to want to be drawn to that. People who love to hear about aliens and are fascinated by UFOs. I think we kind of have provided a speaker that kind of draws interest to everybody and kind of what they're interested in. So I think it's going to be a great event. It's the perfect time of the year for it too. It's spooky season is upon us. So yeah, it's going to be an awesome event and kind of pique everyone's interest.
See you at the Paracon.